someday I'll be on my knees and I pray my heart don't miss a beat. But here I am and I feel that rhythm. It's a lifeline that I've been given. All these colors in my head and I ask myself, is it